Hi, for those of you who saw my tribute to Etta James by singing her song At Last, you know that I love her. So once again, I'm going to be singing one of her songs. I'm going to be singing Church Bells. I heard church bells ringing. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle. On her finger he placed a ring. Oh, I saw him holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise till death do us part. Each word was a pain in my heart. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. And now the wedding is over. The rice has been thrown over their head. For them, life has just begun. But for me, mine is ending. Yeah, and all I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. Thank you.